Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video, I'm gonna show you how you can track changes in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. So to track change in a Google Sheets spreadsheet and view the edit history, you can use the version history feature. So it allows you to see who made changes, what changes were made, and when that change occurred. So here's how to use it. After you open the Google spreadsheet, you can select file and select version history, and then select see version history. So up here's the version history right here. So you can restore the history. Just click on three dot. You can you can click on others and just click restore this version to restore the version that you want to see. Okay, you can also click on this button, restore this version. Alright, so simple. You can track your change in the Google Sheets spreadsheet. So that's all. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.